My people, Zarnak Quayfarder here once more Earth's #1 intergalactic foodie slash fugitive slash dumpling enthusiast. Today I taste something that changed my DNA. Dumpling and butter. Not margarine, not alien spread, not synthetic fat gel. Real rich, golden Jamaican butter pan hot dumpling. Straight from Granny Sylvia kitchen in Augustown. Me come in peace and belly empty.
You look like you're from Pluto, but you're hungry. And me feed anybody with sense.
I not lie, me nearly pass out again. The dumpling them warm, soft, and full of ancestral wisdom. The butter,
Pure gold.
like licking melted bliss off a cloud. It's like the food hug my tongue and tell it, you're safe now, my child.
You're fading, man.
Me not fading, Granny. Me ascending. Thank you again, Granny Sylvia. Now the dumpling them sell off. Jamaican dumplings are regular. The boiled one them, heavy like meteorite but soft inside. Fried dumpling, crunch outside, heaven in the middle. Butter is like universal glue. Bind everything, stew peas, run down, even heartbreak. If NASA asks, tell them me dep on sabbatical. If customs asks, me come for the dumpling. Next episode, me try and curry chicken foot if my sick stomachs can handle it.